Hi, welcome to Psychology Simplified. In this clip, we are going to learn about headache. What is the meaning of headache? Its components of pain and common causes of headache, along with the possible solutions, natural remedies for headache. Headache is the most commonly reported painful bodily signal. It is basically a painful sensation in any part of the head, ranging from sharp to dull, that may occur with other symptoms. The pain of headache has three components. We will see one by one. First one is physiological changes, either muscular contractions or blood vessel dilation occurs. Second one is subjective experience of pain, that is actual pain. It may be aching, distress or fatigue. The third component is behavior motivated by pain, like what we used to do when we suffer from headache. We used to go for pill taking or withdrawal from family and social activities or absence from work. Common causes of headache are lack of sleep and incorrect eyeglass prescription. Very common stress, loud noise exposure. If we are using tight headwear, it may be one of the reason of headache. Poor posture, skipped meals may be one of the reason for headache. Next, we will see the remedies, the common solution or the natural way we can use in combating headache. Drink water. Why? Because being dehydrated can impair concentration and cause irritability, making symptoms even worse. And second is to help avoid dehydration headache, focus on drinking enough water throughout the day and eating water rich foods. Take some magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral necessary for countless functions in the body, like including blood sugar control and nerve transmission. So magnesium has also been shown to be a safe, effective remedy for headaches. Sleep is very important, so managing sleep effectively reduces our headache. You can also watch video in playlist on sleep management. Sleep deprivation causes headaches. Please try to improve the quality and duration of your sleep. Limit the consumption of alcohol. Alcohol is a vasodilator, meaning it widens blood vessels and allows blood to flow more freely. Vasodilation may cause headaches in some people. It acts as a diuretic, causing the body to lose fluid and electrolytes through frequent urination. This fluid loss can lead to dehydration, which can cause or worsen headaches. Avoid histamine. Histamine is a chemical found naturally in the body that plays a role in the immune, digestive, and nervous system. It is found in food like aged cheese, fermented food, beer, wine, smoked fish, and cured meats. And studies suggest consuming histamine may cause migraines in those who are sensitive to it. One can also use essential oils to reduce the pain. Essential oils are highly concentrated liquids that contain aromatic compounds from a variety of plants. Peppermint and lavender essential oils are especially helpful when one have headache. So applying peppermint essential oil to the temples has been shown to reduce the symptoms of tension headache. One can also try vitamin B complex. B vitamins are a group of water soluble micronutrients that play many important roles in the body. B vitamin supplements like riboflavin, B2, folate, B12 and pyridoxine B6 may reduce headache symptoms. Cold compress is also effective against headache. So applying cold or frozen compresses to the neck or head area decreases inflammation, slows nerves conduction and constricts blood vessels, all of which help reduce headache pain. Very common thing, we use tea or coffee during the period of our headache. So using caffeine is also an effective method. Caffeine improves mood, increases alertness and constricts blood vessels, all of which can have a positive effect on headache symptoms. So, conclusion for this clip is yoga, supplements, essential oils, and dietary modifications are all natural, safe, and effective ways to reduce headache symptoms. Thanks for watching the clip. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment for inclusion of new topic as per your choice.